Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Turonic G5 Massage Gun. I did receive this product to review, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in my video description below. You can see the retail box and packaging right here. 7 different massage heads are included. You can see more tech specs on the back for this massage gun. So the G5 features 11 millimeter amplitude. That's important to reach those sore areas all throughout your body, giving you that nice depth. 5 adjustable speeds, up to 6 hours of battery life, 1.7 pounds, so it's lightweight, which is really important when you're holding this for prolonged periods of time, massaging your body, and it's compact and easy to use with the design. So now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the package contents. Here are all the package contents. First up, we have our user guide and manual walking us through everything we need to know about the G5. You can see we have controls and indicator lights and what they mean, how to install the different massage heads. Here's a look at all the different massage heads, their names, and where they should be used throughout your body. Next, we have their recommended usage for the massage gun. Minimum 15 seconds, maximum 1 minute on any particular muscle group. Then you can see we have our gears and the different RPMs. So we have 5 different speed settings from 1200 RPMs all the way up to 3200s for the maximum speed. So obviously too, the higher the RPM, the more intense the massage gun is going to strike. Here's your charging indicator right there. Takes anywhere between 3 to 5 hours to charge, and it can last anywhere between 1.5 to 5.5 hours depending on the gear that you use. Troubleshooting section for you. Then we have more tech specs on the backside. You can see we have 3400 milliamp hour for the built-in battery capacity. And then we have a thank you and your warranty information complete with the QR code. Next, you can see we have a nice carrying bag and case for all the included massage heads. We have our included charger right here. Some extra spare parts for the different massage heads. So you can see we have those right there. And then we have our 7 different massage heads. We have our carrying case for the massage gun and everything you see here. And last but not least, we have the massage gun itself. Check it out. Look at that compact design. Very small and portable. And it is lightweight. It's under 2 pounds. The heaviest part being where the battery is located. You can see our power button right here. Then you can see all of our indicator options. And then we have our charging indicator for the charging port right here with our model information. You can see from this side too where we're going to install all the different massage heads. Here it is from the top, and here it is from the back side with their logo and branding on the massage gun. Really nice color scheme going on too. I like the looks of everything with our black and gray accents, kind of a silvery gray, and with a hint of blue. I feel like it's got a hint of blue with it too, but it looks really nice, very comfortable to hold too. So just a nice handle to grip to be able to target those areas of your body. Now let's go ahead, let's get everything set up. So setup's very simple and straightforward. Just choose the massage head that you want and gently press it in place into the massage gun like you see right here. And now we're ready to go to start using it. If you want to swap out the head for a different attachment, just pull it back out and repeat the process with a different one. There we go. Same thing when we're done, we can pull it out. So now before we use it, let's go over the different attachments that we have here. First up, we have the ball head attachment. Think about using this attachment with larger muscle group areas like your chest. Then you can see we have our fork head attachment right here. This is used for your neck, your spine, your shoulder area. Then we have our next head. This is the head with bumps is what they call it. This is to target the cellulite areas on your body. So they're calling this an anti-cellulite attachment. Then we have our cone head right here. This is a more precise head to give you a pinpoint massage and muscle treatment. So identify those smaller muscle groups and use this head. Then you can see we got multiple flathead options right here. The first one's just our plastic flathead. This can be used nearly anywhere throughout the body. So your quads, chest, back muscles, anything like that, larger areas. Then we have the same head again, but this time with stainless steel to be used with oil if you want an oiled massage. And then we have a cylinder head right here. So it's the same stainless steel, but it's got a more cylindrical design to get a deeper massage and penetration than just the regular flat head. But same thing can be used with oil. Now let's go ahead, let's try it out. So first up, we have our ball head attachment installed. Let's go ahead, let's power on the massage gun. You can see our battery indicator lights right there. So we have between 70 to 100% charge. Now let's go ahead, let's do the first interval. So that's our lowest intensity, that's 1200 RPM. And now let's increase, here's our second one. And we have that nice LED indicator light letting us know which interval we're at. There's our third, here's the fourth, and there's the fifth, the maximum intensity right there. Now we can press the button again and it's going to shut everything off, and then we can repeat that as needed. Now let's go ahead, let's get another head installed. Now we have the fork head attachment installed. Let's go ahead, let's try it out. There's the first speed setting, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Now we got the head with bumps attachment installed. Here's the first speed setting, second speed setting, third speed, fourth, and fifth. So you can see that right there. Now we have the cone head attached. You can see it installed. Now let's try it out. First speed setting, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Now we have the plastic head attachment installed. Let's go ahead, let's try it out. There's the first setting, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Now we have the stainless steel head attached right here. First speed setting, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Now we have our seventh and final head installed. This is the stainless steel cylinder head. Let's go ahead, let's turn it on. Here's speed setting 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the attachment that I use the most is the ball head attachment. I just think it's one of the most versatile attachments you can get and use with the massage gun. Let me show you it in action on my arm right here. So we have the lowest speed setting enabled right now. And I typically don't like to use these on the highest settings. I just think it's too intense. I mean, you can see how much it's really shaking and moving around my whole arm right here. All of that is involuntary movement. Now watch as we go. Here's 2. But again, why I like this attachment is I just feel like we can use it anywhere. And if you kind of leave a muscle group and get closer to bone, it's not going to hurt you or anything either. So you can just really work it around all the parts of your body. But check that out. Look at how cool that looks in the camera as we're filming my arm. Smush, wiggling. Also, I want to point out while using this massage gun, it's pretty quiet. It's one of the quieter massage guns that I've used. We're on the third intensity right now. My arm feels like a noodle. But you can see it in action right here. We'll go to the other side for a second. But right there, you can see. Now we're on 4. I typically wouldn't use 4 unless maybe I have just such a real problem area or something that's just so sore. But that's 4 right there. And again, not too loud, very quiet. And then here's 5. Oh my goodness, it's liquefying my arm. But you can see that in action. I prefer that 1 and 2 range for me personally. But it feels really good. So let me share with you guys my final thoughts after using the G5 Massage Gun. First, I want to say overall, this is a complete kit that gives you everything you need. And the storage case is a nice touch if you want to keep this in your gym bag to easily take it out when needed. I like all the included heads that they provided. It's cool with a couple options if you want to do a nice oil massage. In the future, it'd be nice to have a couple more head options that are rubber or softer silicone. It'd be cool to be able to use some of those with this gun as well. In regards to build quality and design, I'm very happy with it overall. I really like the look and aesthetic of this massage gun, and it's very simple to operate. I'm a big fan of physical buttons, and we basically have just a 1-button control with our nice indicator light as well. Everything works as it should. In regards to the size, this is very compact and small. It's one of the smaller massage guns that I've had here in the studio. In regards to weight, it's under 2 pounds, which is really good. But I would love to see this massage gun be even lighter in the future if, there's a big if here, if we're able to keep the same performance and battery life. Typically, the heaviest part of a massage gun is going to be that included built-in battery. So with that being said, I don't want to see it any lighter if we lose our performance or battery life. But overall, everything works great, and it's really a good looking massage gun. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget, new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.